Flat Earth versus Globe, the courtroom showdown you didn't know about. In 2019, a courtroom in Barrow County, Georgia became the unlikely stage for a legal battle that would pit flat Earth beliefs against mainstream science. The case Thompson vs. Garcia. This was not just a clash of ideas. It was a clash of law, contracts, and viral internet challenges that drew the attention of online communities worldwide. It all started when Garcia, a prominent flat Earth advocate, posted an unusual challenge online: a $5,000 reward to anyone who could provide real-world proof of Earth's curvature. The rules were strict: no telescopes, no instruments, only evidence that could be observed with the naked eye. The challenge went viral, spreading across social media and discussion forums, sparking debates, memes, and a frenzy of online attention. People wondered, could someone really prove the Earth's curvature without instruments? William Menke Thompson, a skeptic of the Flat Earth movement, believed he could meet the challenge. He provided photographic evidence showing the curvature of the Earth over a large lake. Thompson argued that his submission adhered to the specific terms Garcia had laid out. Confident that he had done everything right, Thompson expected to collect the $5,000. But Garcia refused to pay, claiming Thompson's evidence did not meet the exact language of the challenge. Feeling wronged, Thompson filed a lawsuit in Barrow County, Georgia, asserting that Garcia's challenge created a legally binding contract. The court filings, which later circulated online, emphasized that the case was about enforcement of a promise, not the scientific validity of the evidence. Legal commentators noted that this was exactly the type of case where courts tread lightly on science. Judges enforce the terms of agreements, not natural laws. The courtroom drama was unusual. Thompson presented detailed photographic evidence, timing, and adherence to contest rules. Garcia highlighted the strict terms of his challenge, pointing out that the conditions made it almost impossible to succeed using ordinary methods. Witnesses and experts were called, but the court's role was clear: determine whether Thompson had complied with the contract, not adjudicate scientific truth. Ultimately, the court ruled in Garcia's favor, stating Thompson had failed to meet the exact terms of the challenge. While some online communities celebrated this as a flat Earth victory, legal experts emphasized that the ruling was solely a contractual decision. The court had not declared the shape of the Earth. It had only enforced the precise language of a contest. Social media exploded with heated debate, viral videos and reaction threads analyzing every nuance of the case. Memes, live streams, and forum discussions dissected the proceedings, turning the courtroom drama into a global online spectacle and a cautionary tale about how internet challenges can quickly become legal battles. The story did not end there. In 2024, Garcia faced a separate legal challenge in New Jersey over the revocation of his prison good conduct credits. He filed a petition for a writ of habeas corpus, claiming the decision was unjust. The court dismissed the petition due to procedural requirements and the need to exhaust administrative remedies before seeking judicial review. Once again, the court focused on legal procedure rather than substantive facts about science or behavior. These cases illustrate several important lessons. First, always read the fine print. Public challenges, contracts, and legal offers are enforced according to their exact terms. Second, the law resolves disputes according to rules, not personal beliefs or scientific consensus. Third, internet challenges can have real-world legal consequences. Viral fame or viral disputes do not exempt anyone from the consequences of rules and contracts. Fourth, the Thompson vs. Garcia saga reminds us that even seemingly trivial social media events can escalate into full-fledged court cases with long-lasting impact. For viewers, this is a reminder that when science, social media, and law collide, the results can be surprising, often entertaining, and sometimes deeply educational. This case also demonstrates the power of online communities in shaping narratives. Forums, video platforms, and discussion threads influence public perception of legal events. The Thompson vs. Garcia dispute shows how a legal contract can spark worldwide interest, turning what might seem trivial into a viral story. If you want more deep dives into unusual legal cases where the internet meets the courtroom, don't forget to like and subscribe Yahweh Stories for Nordomor 4. Share this with someone who thinks online contests are always harmless, because in reality the law takes its own course, and contracts, no matter how bizarre, are binding, if the terms are enforceable. Stay tuned for more stories where reality, law, and online culture collide.